Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever lost your wallet or your phone when you were all alone? Today's video is a story about a woman who experiences exactly that kind of situation. Don't worry, the conversation is simple and I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you improve your English listening skills. So here is today's question. What important things were inside Anna's wallet? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in English in the comments. And before we begin, just one more thing. I recently started a channel membership. To everyone who has already joined, I would like to say a big thank you. Thank you so much for your support. For you and for everyone watching, I will continue to share fun and relaxing content that makes learning English easy and enjoyable. All right, are you ready? Let's start the story.
Hello.
Hello. How can I help you?
I lost my wallet.
I see. Don't worry, we can help you.
Thank you. I'm really worried.
It's okay. Many people lose their wallets. We find them many times.
Really?
Yes, really. Please sit down. Let's talk about your wallet.
Okay. Thank you so much.
No problem. Take your time. First, when did you lose it?
Today. This morning.
This morning. What time?
Around 10 o'clock.
Around 10 o'clock. Okay. Where did you lose it?
I think near the station.
Which station?
Central Station.
Central Station. Good. Can you remember more?
Well, I went to a cafe first.
A cafe near the station?
Yes, Star Cafe. Do you know it?
Yes, I know it. Then what did you do?
I had coffee. Then I walked to the station.
And you noticed your wallet was gone.
Yes, at the station. I wanted to buy a ticket, but my wallet was not in my bag.
I understand. So maybe you lost it at the cafe or on the street.
Yes, I think so.
Did you go back to the cafe?
Yes, I did, but they didn't find it.
Okay, don't worry. Let me check our system. Now please tell me about your wallet. What color is it?
It's black.
Black. Is it big or small?
It's not very big. It's medium-sized.
Medium-sized. What is it made of?
Leather. Black leather.
Black leather wallet. Medium-sized. Good. What was inside?
My ID card, my credit card, and some money.
How much money?
About $50.
$50. Okay. What else?
My driver's license and some photos.
Photos of your family.
Yes, my family and my dog.
I see. Those photos are important to you.
Yes, very important.
Let me write this down. Black leather wallet, medium-sized, inside, ID card, credit card, driver's license, $50, and family photos. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Good. Now please write your information here, your name, phone number, and address.
Okay, let me write it.
Take your time.
Is this okay?
Let me see. Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Should I write anything else?
No, that's all. This is enough.
What if you don't find it?
If we don't find it, we will still help you.
How?
You can cancel your credit card, and you can get a new ID card.
But my photos.
I know, photos are special, but let's hope someone finds your wallet and brings it here.
Do people really do that?
Yes, many people are honest. They find wallets and bring them to us.
That's nice.
Yes, it is. Now, I will check if anyone brought a wallet today.
Okay.
Please wait here. It will take a few minutes.
Sure, I'll wait.
Would you like some water?
No, thank you. I'm okay.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Thank you. I hope someone found it. I really hope so. My photos are in there. I don't have copies. I should have been more careful.
Excuse me, Anna?
Yes?
I have good news.
Really?
Yes, someone just called. They found a black wallet near Central Station.
Is it my wallet?
I think so. They said it has an ID card and photos inside.
Oh, that's my wallet.
They're bringing it here now.
Really? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. See? I told you many people are honest.
Yes, you were right. I'm so happy.
They will be here in about 10 minutes.
I can wait. 10 minutes is nothing.
Good. When they arrive, please check your wallet carefully.
Check everything inside?
Yes, your ID card, credit card, driver's license, money, and photos. Make sure everything is there.
I will. I'll check everything.
If something is missing, please tell me.
Okay, but I'm sure everything will be there.
I hope so too.
Can I say thank you to the person who found it?
Yes, of course. They will come inside.
Good. I want to thank them.
That's very nice of you.
They saved my photos. Those photos are very important to me.
I understand. Family photos are precious.
Yes, very precious. I took those photos 5 years ago. My dog is not with us anymore.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you. So those photos are special memories.
Then I'm very happy we found your wallet.
Me too. I can't believe it. This morning was terrible, but now I'm so happy.
Sometimes good things happen.
Yes, you're right. Today is a good day after all.
I can see someone coming. Maybe that's them.
Really? Where?
At the door. Yes, they're here.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Stay calm. Let me talk to them first.
Okay, sorry. I'm just very happy.
I know. It's okay. Yes, this is it. Anna, please come and check.
This is my wallet. My wallet.
Please open it and check inside.
Okay, let me check. ID card? Yes. Credit card? Yes. Driver's license? Yes. Money? All here. Photos? Yes. Everything is here.
Good. Everything is safe.
Thank you so much for finding my wallet. You don't know how happy I am. These photos are very special to me. Thank you.
Now, please sign this paper. It says you received your wallet.
Here?
Yes, right there.
Done. Is that all?
Yes, that's all. You can go home now.
Thank you so much. You were so kind and helpful.
You're very welcome. Please be careful with your wallet from now on.
I will. I'll be very careful, I promise.
Good. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you again. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed the story and learned some useful English. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. What important things were inside Anna's wallet? The answer was in the conversation. Did you catch it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments. Writing in English, even short sentences, is a great way to improve your English skills. On this channel, I share short stories in slow and easy English to help you practice listening and speaking step by step. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps. And before we finish, just one more small thing. I also have a channel membership. If you would like to support this channel and help me create calm and enjoyable English content, I would really appreciate it. You can join by clicking the membership button next to the subscribe button below this video. Thank you so much for your support. All right, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.